Today we're making baked pork tenderloin. This is an easy recipe that's great for busy weeknights. Start by patting the meat dry with paper towels, and then we'll make the seasoning. Starting with paprika, kosher salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion salt, a little cayenne, oregano, and thyme. Mix it well. Coat the pork with olive oil and brush it on. And then we add the seasoning. This spice rub is really great, tongue tingling, gives it a lot of flavor. Looks good. Let's bake. 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and this is what you get. I wish you could smell it. It's so good, and the meat is so tender and juicy. I like to get every morsel off the pan too, so a little bit of fresh lime juice and cilantro makes a nice little sauce. That's it. Dinner's ready. Enjoy.